Hello, welcome to Big Fish English. Let's continue our English conversation practice by describing this new picture. Take a moment to look at it and describe what you see.
Hello, Big Fish. In this picture, I see children washing dishes together in the kitchen. They look very happy.
Great! Let's break down your description. What are the children doing?
The children are washing dishes.
Excellent. The verb washing is important here. Now, can anyone tell me what washing dishes means in a phrasal verb?
Maybe cleaning up the dishes.
Exactly. Cleaning up the dishes is a common phrasal verb we use. What other things do we clean up?
We can clean up the room, clean up the mess, or clean up after a meal.
Perfect. Now, let's talk about the kids. How are they washing the dishes?
One kid is rinsing the plates under the tap. Another is scrubbing with a sponge. The third one is drying the dishes. And the fourth one is stacking them.
Good observations. We can use phrasal verbs like rinsing off, scrubbing down, drying up, and stacking up. Can anyone make sentences using these phrasal verbs?
The kid is rinsing off the plates under the tap. Another kid is scrubbing down the dishes with a sponge. The third kid is drying up the dishes. And the fourth kid is stacking up the clean dishes.
Well done. Now, let's learn some vocabulary related to washing dishes. Can anyone name the items in the picture?
There are plates, cups, a sponge, a sink, and a drying rack.
Correct. Let's talk about the word sponge. What does it mean?
A sponge is a soft, absorbent material used for cleaning.
Very good. We can also describe the sponge as kitchen sponge or cleaning sponge. Now, let's use the word in a sentence. Can anyone try?
We need a new kitchen sponge to wash the dishes.
Excellent. Finally, let's discuss some phrases we use when washing dishes. For example, doing the dishes, rinsing off, scrubbing down, drying up, and stacking up. Can anyone make sentences with these phrases?
I will do the dishes after dinner. We should rinse off the plates before scrubbing them down. After washing, we can dry up the dishes and stack them up.
Perfect. And why do you think it's important for the children to wash dishes together?
It teaches them responsibility and helps them learn how to work together.
Good point. It also shows the importance of teamwork and sharing responsibilities. What other household chores can children do together?
They can clean the room, take out the trash, or set the table.
Excellent examples. Working together on these tasks can make them more enjoyable and less of a burden. Can anyone think of a phrasal verb related to setting the table?
How about laying out the table?
Perfect. Laying out means to arrange something in a particular way. Can someone use it in a sentence?
We can lay out the table before dinner.
Well done. Let's also think about how we can use teamwork in other aspects of life. Can anyone give an example?
In school projects, we can work together to complete assignments.
Excellent! You have used all the phrasal verbs correctly. Keep practicing these words and phrases in different contexts to strengthen your English skills. Great job today! Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.